How to boost your immune system naturally, tips and tricks. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our health and wellness channel. Today, we have a topic that's relevant and essential for everyone: how to boost your immune system naturally. In this video, we'll share some fantastic tips and tricks to keep your immune system in top shape, so you can stay healthy and happy. We'll talk about the benefits of nutrition and superfoods, exercise, mental health, stress levels, sleep, sunshine and vitamin D, and hydration, and how these factors all play a critical role in keeping your immune system in balance. But first, MedTube cannot exist without your support, so please like, subscribe and switch on notifications. Now, let's jump into how to boost your immune system naturally. Part 1. The immune system explained. Our body's natural defense system, the immune system, plays a crucial role in protecting us from harmful pathogens and keeping us well. But did you know there are simple ways to support and strengthen it? Part 2. Eat the rainbow, nutrition for immunity. It all starts with what we eat. A balanced and colorful diet is the key to a robust immune system. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins and minerals that supercharge our immunity. We suggest to eat 5 portions of colorful fruit and vegetables each day. Part 3. Superfoods for immune support. Now, let's talk about some amazing superfoods that can give your immune system an extra boost. Top of our list are berries, citrus fruits, fish oils, nuts and seeds, and brightly colored vegetables. Eat these superfoods to boost your immunity. Part 4. Move your body, exercise and immunity. Time to get moving. Regular exercise not only keeps our bodies fit but also strengthens our immune system. If possible, aim for 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 times a week. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance session, or a fun workout routine, find what makes you happy and get those endorphins flowing. Part 5. Stress less, sleep more, mental health matters. Stress. We all face it, right? But did you know chronic stress can weaken our immune response? Try engaging in simple relaxation techniques, such as meditation, to help reduce stress levels. Also, for adults, aim for sleep for at least 7 hours each night, as sleep is also key to a healthy immune system. Part 6. Sunshine and vitamin D. Time to soak up some sunshine. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is essential for a robust immune system. Make sure you get plenty of exposure to sunlight, especially in winter. Aim for 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun 5 times a week. But, of course, also make sure you avoid sunburn by wearing sun cream and avoiding prolonged direct exposure. Part 7. Hydration and immunity. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including supporting our immune system. Be mindful that you are drinking enough, especially in hot weather, or you are working or traveling. Aim for between 3 and 4 liters a day. Part 8. To wrap up. Congratulations! You're now equipped with fantastic tips and tricks to naturally boost your immune system. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the key to a strong immune system and overall well-being. Let's take care of ourselves and each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching MedTube. Please check out our other videos, and stay healthy.